if you have $80,000 and you want to buy a solar system, this is what you can get. It has all the bells and whistles here. So we have a car charger charging the e-tron. We have the backup interface, which allows these inverters to island. So if you kill power, you're going to have full backup on that 200 amp service, whether you have batteries or not. We have two of the new LG Energy Solution, I think they're the 16H Prime batteries. We'll install right over here by those ski racks so that we will have 32 kilowatt hours of storage with this installation as well. So let me break out the drone, let's fly it, and I'll give you a bird's eye view of what we've done on the roof. All right, let's take it up.